Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Nicole's Crafty Creations. Today we are going to subulate on a white cotton t-shirt. I'm going to show you the difference just sublimating plain on a white cotton t-shirt and then the difference of using vinyl underneath the sublimation, glitter vinyl underneath the sublimation. Usually when you use sublimate on a shirt, you want it to have a high polyester count. On cotton, you can still sublimate on cotton shirts, but it just doesn't come out as bright as it would on a polyester shirt. So I'm going to show you how to get that bright color but using a cotton shirt. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like without using the glitter iron-on vinyl underneath the sublimation. All right, so let's get started. This is just a practice shirt. As you can tell, I've done the other side with something. Alright, so this is my plain sublimation, and I am just going to put it in the middle of the shirt. Alright, this is the Teflon sheet. We're going to press for 30 seconds. Alright, so this is what the sublimation on a cotton shirt looks like. Not too bad, but you got to also remember when they wash this cotton shirt, this is going to fade even more. It's not going to be as bright as it is. But when you put glitter underneath the sublimation, it's going to come out looking like that, and then when they wash it, it won't fade. So let's do one using the glitter underneath it. So this is 6 months, 100% cotton, if you can see that. This shirt as well was 100% cotton too. So let's find the middle of the shirt. And I'm just pressing it to get my crease in it for the middle of the shirt. Alright, here we go. Middle of the shirt. It's about 2 inches down from the collar, so that's where we really want to place the beginning of our vinyl. Find the middle of the vinyl. I always just kind of fold it in half. Put a little crease up here at the top. Alright, so this is my cut out iron-on white glitter vinyl. So the center of this, I want to go the center of the shirt. I'm happy with the placement, then I will press down. All right. So. My Teflon sheet. 400, 30 seconds. Give it a few minutes to, well, a few seconds to cool. And then we are going to peel this off, and then we are going to place our printout with the sublimation on the sublimation paper with using the sublimation ink on top, and then we'll press that. We line it up how we like it. And I am just going to tape it down. And I just tape it so it doesn't move and my colors don't shift from where I want it on the shirt. I placed the little plastic piece back over it. And that's just to protect my vinyl underneath my printout. Teflon paper again on top. Same thing. I press at 400 for 30 seconds. All right. And pull up our little plastic piece. And this is what our shirt looks like when you use Sublimate on top of white vinyl, glitter vinyl iron-on. All right, look at that compared to just sublimating on just a white shirt, cotton shirt. You see the difference? You see how bright this one is? So I know it's hard sometimes to find those polyester, high polyester counts shirts. So this is another option for you if you can only find cotton shirts. You can always press on top of white glitter vinyl and your colors will still come out bright on your shirt. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.